Hi, this is Jerry. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled to find the right words in Mandarin or lost when trying to talk to locals? In today's video, I will teach you 5 types must-know phrases for daily life. Whether you're just starting out or planning a trip to China, these phrases will help you sound more natural. So here's what we'll cover today. First, we will talk about basic greetings, then how to introduce yourself, then asking for help, some shopping phrases, and lastly, dining phrases. Stick around until the end because I will share free resources to help you learn 50 practical Mandarin phrases in just 7 days. Let's start with the most common phrases you will need. Hello. Hello in Chinese is 你好. Let's break it down. 你 means you, 好 means good or fine. So together, 你好 literally means you good and is the simplest way to greet someone. So for example, when meeting someone, smile and say 你好. If it's morning, you can say 早上好. So 早上 means morning, 好 means good or fine. So combined literally means morning good. You can use this phrase to greet elders, friends, or colleagues in the morning. And also, you could replace 早上 to the other time like lunchtime, afternoon, or 晚上, evening. So you can say 中午好 means lunchtime good, 下午好 means good afternoon, or 晚上好 good evening. And don't forget to say 谢谢 and 再见 means thank you and goodbye. 谢 means to thank. So 谢谢 doubles the word for emphasize, a common structure in Chinese. And 再见 再 means again and 见 means to see. So 再见 literally means to see you again, means goodbye. Introduce yourself. Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself. You could say 我叫 and plus your name means my name is. Let's break that down. 我 means I or me. 叫 means to be called. So here's the formula. You could put the subject I means 我 plus to be called 叫 and plus your name. So for example, if your name is Anna, just say 我叫 Anna. Or if his name is John, according to the formula, you could say 他叫 John. His name is John. So to say where you are from, you could say 我是 plus the place and plus 人 means I am from somewhere. So let's break that down. 我 means I or me. 是 means am, is, are, and 人 means person. So here's the formula. Subject like I or you plus am, is, are in Chinese is 是 and then plus the place and then plus person. For example, you could say 我是英国人 means I am from England or I'm British. So according to the formula, you could replace the country or the subject like he is American. Sometimes you might need assistance. Let's learn this kind of phrases. For example, 厕所在哪里? Where is the toilet? Let's break that down. 厕所 means toilet. 在 to be located at. 哪里? So the formula is the place plus to be located at. 哪里? Where? For example, when in a mall, ask this phrase and local will point you in the right direction. For example, where is the restaurant? Another very useful phrase is 请帮帮我. Please help me. So let's break that down. 请 please, 帮. So doubling it makes it more emphatic, or me. So the formula is please plus the action plus me. So asking for help. Shopping phrases. Shopping can be exciting. Let's learn how to ask for prices. You could say 这个多少钱? How much is this? 这个 this 多少 how many or how much 钱 money. So the formula is you could say this or an item plus how much money 多少钱. So for example, you can point to an item and ask how much is this one? And according to the formula, you could replace this to an item. For example, 这件衣服多少钱? How much is this clothes? And if it's too expensive, you could say 可以便宜一点吗? Can it be cheaper? So let's break that down. 可以 means can. 便宜 means cheap. 一点 means a little. 吗 is a question particle. So together is can cheap a little with a question particle. Let's repeat it again. 可以便宜吗? After you ask this question, normally you will get a better price. And lastly, dining phrases. So to order food, you could say 我想要这个. I want this one. So 我 means I or me. 想 means think or want. 要 means want. 这个 this. So the formula is I, the subject, plus want 想要 plus an object. So expressing your desire. So for example, you can point to a dish on the menu and say these phrases. 我想要这个. Or if you know the specific dish or food you want, you could replace 这个 according to the formula. Like 我想要烤鸭 虾, I want roast duck. And when you are done eating, ask for the bill. You could say 买单谢谢, the bill please. 买单 literally means to pay the bill, and 谢谢 means thank you. So together, 买单谢谢 means the bill please. And that's it for today's lesson. These 5 essential Mandarin phrases are just the beginning. There's much more to learn in Mandarin. There's so much to learn in Mandarin, but mastering these simple phrases will give you a strong foundation and a great start. As I mentioned earlier, I have 3 resources for you. A guide to help you learn 50 practical Mandarin phrases in just the 7 days. It's perfect for beginners. Click the link in the description and grab your freebie. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment which phrases you are excited to use, and I will see you in next video. Bye.